It's been nearly 50 years since self-cleaning was introduced. It's time for something new. Time for AquaLift Technology. The baked-on stains may be the same, but now you can have your oven back in less than 1 hour, all with less heat and no odor. AquaLift Technology, an innovation from Whirlpool Corporation, redefines oven cleaning.
So, how do you use it? Simply remove the oven wraps and wipe out the excess soil. Pour 2 cups of water in the bottom of the oven and let AquaLift Technology do the work. This innovative coating is activated by water and heat. It lifts tough baked-on soils from underneath, making oven cleaning a snap.
In under an hour, the oven is ready for a final wipe down to remove the soil. All done in less time with no odor and no extreme heat like traditional high-temperature self-clean ovens. AquaLift Technology is oven cleaning redefined.